Hey guys, I'm Alan. And I am Dayton. Welcome back to 3 Burgers In Beyond the Shaker. Today, have we got a treat for you. We are making a coastal Colombian, a coastal Colombian Southern fusion.
We both are gonna be in one plate.
At one time. Guys, where I'm from, collard greens are an absolute staple. We can eat them with everything.
And then last year, we tried something different, something new. We mixed the collard greens with Hogao, which is also a staple from my country.
So delicious. So today we're gonna start out by making these collard greens with, say it for me.
Hogao.
So I'm gonna put some olive oil in here, right? This pan is hot, so we're hoping we don't overdo it. Burnt garlic is not good garlic.
Now we're gonna add half a bunch of green onions.
All right, we're gonna saute it. We're gonna put it on a taser and saute it.
Okay, what is that?
We're gonna saute it for a second. So I am going to add 1.5 of a diced Roma tomato.
Guys, these are the classic ingredients of Hogao. We're gonna use salt and pepper to taste.
And now guys, cumin. And we're gonna cook this until thick, guys.
So this is what we're looking for.
Okay, so now that it's thickened up, we're gonna add our collard greens. Like I said, where I'm from, collard greens are a staple. I'm not sure you can find that in Colombia or other Latin countries.
Never heard in Colombia. Maybe I haven't paid attention.
If you're from the South, you know they're gonna be bitter. We put a little bit of sugar to counteract that bitterness. And also, when you cook them, they're gonna shrivel.
We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk. Okay, we both agree on something. This is not enough liquid to cook collard greens.
We don't wanna take the flavor away from the Hogao. Instead of putting water to water down, we're gonna add chicken stock. Not a lot, that was probably about 2 tablespoons. What do you think?
Yep.
Is that okay?
Let's see what happens.
That's a good time to understand, guys. You have to taste as you go. Cover this and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes, okay?
Okay guys, we have decided to add a little bit more of chicken stock in our collards.
Our leaves are still kind of tough.
Yeah.
We want our leaves to be tender. So we added the stock and we're gonna put this on a rolling boil for a little while. We boiled it on a rolling boil for about 10 more minutes. This looks like it's thick, but it's really not. This is delicious, so. We're going to make a biscuit. We know in the South, a biscuit, it's like breathing. We have to have it.
I have learned to love biscuits.
He learned to love it so much. This guy makes a keto biscuit that tastes just like your grandma's buttermilk biscuit. That's what we're gonna make right now.
Now this time we're gonna do it with some Colombian flurs.
We're gonna add 1 cup of keto wheat flour.
It's like a church.
Because God himself is gonna kiss this biscuit.
We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
We have a teaspoon of erythritol sweetener.
We're gonna use some salt.
Cream of tartar.
And then let's mix this. I am gonna do this part because he doesn't like it.
I don't like it.
This is butter. It's being finely cubed, kneading this until coarse.
We are family. I got all my sisters with me. So now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar, 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk,
Heavy cream.
heavy cream.
We're gonna add half whisk egg.
Off camera, because we forgot about it, we toasted 2 tablespoons of coconut. We put it in a saucepan and we toasted it.
So I'm gonna now knead my dough. This is parchment paper. I'm gonna put my dough and then I'm gonna form kind of like a square. I'm gonna sprinkle this a little bit with more keto wheat flour. And then with a knife, cut it in 2. And then you're gonna fold it. Then you're gonna press it. I'm gonna do this 3 times. Now we have done it 3 times and we have to read the mold. You can notice the actual layers on the biscuit.
So instead of like an egg wash, this asks for heavy whipping cream, so we're gonna give it what they asked for. All right, this has gotta cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're really gonna start to watch them after 15 minutes, okay? Our oven's preheated to 400 degrees.
And then these are our biscuits. We have here 1 chicken breast. We're gonna cut this out.
We feel like 2 chicken breasts is gonna be a lot. Even though this is going to be baked, we're gonna set up a dipping station almost as if we were going to fry this chicken, okay? 1/2 of a beaten egg,
Half a cup of shredded coconut.
1/4 of a cup of almond flour,
Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika.
and we're gonna give this a good mix. And before we dredge, I would say give a good salt and pepper to your chicken, guys.
We're gonna take 1/2 of our chicken breast.
We're gonna put it over here. All right, guys, so our oven's been preheated to 375 degrees. We're now gonna pop this chicken in that oven for about 20-25 minutes. I'm always gonna set the timer for the lesser, so that way I can check it first, okay?
Guys, our chicken is done.
Pojo is complete.
I'm sorry.
He needs medicine. Now it's got a beautiful color on it.
Hold on to your hat. This recipe has 495 calories and it has only 5 net carbs. Tell me if that's not a perfect keto meal.
Delicious, and it's Southern comfort food with coastal Colombian fusion.
You got both of us in the plate.
Hello.
Yeah.
A little bit of a shout out, Lori Clem. We see you, girl. You be liking and loving and commenting on everything we do. And guess what? We liking and loving and commenting on you too. We love and celebrate you. And as always, never ever forget, guys, we
Love y'all.